Hey guys! Watching live sport on YouTube TV is actually pretty easy to do. And today, I'm going to teach you how you can start watching your favorite sports right from your device. As many of you may know, YouTube has launched YouTube TV, which is currently only available in the USA, but it's expected to expand internationally soon. Now, how can you use this to watch live sports? Well, YouTube TV gives you access to a wide variety of channels, including sports network like ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, and more. You can watch everything from football and basketball to tennis and racing, depending on what channels are included in your plan. So to get started, you'll need to subscribe to YouTube TV. The good news is, they offer a free trial. During the trial period, you can explore all the available channels and check if they broadcast your favorite sports. So if you find what you're looking for, great! Go ahead and keep your subscription. But if not, you can easily cancel before the trial ends, and you won't be charged. And that's it. That's how you can watch live sport using YouTube TV. Thanks for watching.